everyone. Today's date is 27 June 2020. Today's our topic is about IOC and DI in Java. So, before discussing today's topic, let me introduce myself. I am Chetan Ajay Kodlewar. I am from Chandrapur. I have done my engineering in field electrical engineer in 2009. So, this is all about me. Let's start our today's topic, that is IOC and DI in Spring. So IOC means inversion of control and DI means dependency injection. Now now we see first the Spring. The Spring is a mostly popular and usable framework in Java. So we all know the dependency is a framework. It is used to create the web application. We all know the Java is a object-oriented programming language. It is used to develop the software applications with the help of many classes and objects. So, with the help of that, we can create a software applications. Now, when one class is totally depend upon another class for some completion of work, so this mechanism is called to be the dependence. But this process, but this work is can done with the help of creating an object. Without creating an object, this work it cannot be done. But hence, the Spring has a features of automatically creating an object of another class. So this process can be done by automatically creation of object by injecting another class. So has to be this spring is automatically creating an object of another class with the injecting the another class. This process is called as DI, that is dependency of injection. Apart from that, the object of creation of control is not to be done by external code, but it can done by automatically creation of object with the use of Spring. This process, the totally process is known as the IOC, that is independent, that is inversion of control. So let's see if there is an example that if all classes including in the application. So in that application, this all classes, we creating an object of this all classes with the help of IOC. That means IOC is to be creating an object of this all the class with the help of Spring. So this object it can be stored in container. Now apart from that, this whenever we need a object of given class, this object of availability is provided by the DI, that is dependency of injection. So this is the IOC and dependency of injection. So the dependency of injection is to be losing coupled by among of Java. Now there are many ways we can achieve the dependency of injection. But we can see the four way we can achieve the dependency of injection. That is, first is constructor based dependency injection, second one is setter based dependency injection, third one is field based dependency injection, and fourth one is method based dependency injection. Let's see one by one. The first one is constructor based dependency injection. The constructor based dependency injection we can achieve the Spring will uses the matching constructor by result and and inject the dependency. But in that we can use some annotations, that is @ components. With the help of these @ components, we can access the object of another classes in the given classes. So we can in this way we can achieve the constructor based dependency injection. The second one is the setter based dependency injection. We can use setter based dependency injection. We can use of this setter method. By the setter method, after the initializing the beam, now it is used the no argument constructor. In this way we can achieve the setter based dependency injection. The third one is field based dependency injection. When we use annotation that is @auto wired in the top of the field in the class, so it is referred as a field based dependency injection. So last one is method based dependency injection. Method based dependency injection we can achieve by initializing the instance of another class. This instance variable, it can be accessed in the given method with the use of this keyword. In this way we can achieve the method based dependency injection. Now these are the way we can achieve the dependency injection. Now there are some advantages of dependency injection. The first one is the dependency injection removes the unnecessary dependency between the classes. Second one is as the dependency between the object is loosely coupled, it helps the developer to test by injecting the dependent object. Third one is the maintain the system becomes easier. Fourth one is as the module is independent of the given object. In that way it helps the components to achieve the very high. It will the components easier is to be very high. So these are the advantages of dependency injection, and in this way we can achieve the dependency injection, and these are the little bit information about today's topic, that is IOC and DI in Spring Java. Thank you.